Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Sienna radiator. First, ensure your engine is cool. Begin by draining the old coolant into a suitable container. Next, disconnect the negative battery terminal for safety. Then, carefully remove the upper and lower radiator hoses, along with any fan shrouds or electrical connections that might be in the way. This preparation is crucial for a smooth replacement process. Once the hoses and connections are off, you'll need to unbolt the radiator mounting brackets. These typically hold the radiator firmly in place. With the brackets removed, gently lift the old radiator straight up and out of the engine bay. Take a moment to inspect the area for any residual coolant or signs of wear. A clean mounting area ensures a better seal for the new radiator. Now it's time to install your new radiator. Carefully lower it into the engine bay, ensuring it sits correctly in its mounts. Reattach the mounting brackets and tighten them securely. Next, reconnect the upper and lower radiator hoses, making sure the clamps are tight. Don't forget to reattach any fan shrouds and electrical connections you removed earlier. Double-check all connections for tightness. With the new radiator in place, it's time to refill the cooling system with the appropriate coolant mixture. Slowly add coolant, allowing air to escape. Start the engine and let it warm up, keeping an eye on the temperature gauge and checking for any leaks. Once the engine reaches operating temperature, take it for a short test drive to ensure everything is functioning correctly and the temperature remains stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.